What up guys, it's your boy That's It Zach here, and we are back for Veganuary day number 9. This is another day where I'm back home making some recipes, so I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this one. Let's jump right into it. We started off the morning, I had a collab video that day, so the first meal that I had was with the other guy that I collabed at Falafel Saint Jacques here in Montreal. They make falafels that are pretty much exactly like you would have in Israel, homemade and everything. I had a whole bunch of salads. They have shish tawuk, shawarma, General Tao, chicken wings, and it's all vegan. And when you go there and you smell it, it really feels like you're in Israel and type of Middle Eastern area. And the food doesn't look vegan, but it is like throughout the whole way. So I haven't had it in a while, especially since the cruise. So it was a great time to kind of go there and break my fast with that. And I know some of you might be saying, Zach, you broke your fast with like a massive meal. Yes, it happens once in a while. Somebody came, his name is Lucky Lifestyle. There's gonna be a vlog that's coming out with him next week. But it happens once in a while. Like I said, he came over. I wanted to bring him over to a good vegan restaurant that he never tried before. So stuff happens. This is how we broke our fast. So I got a falafel sandwich. In the falafel sandwich, there was falafel balls, there was tahini, some spice, cucumber, tomato, onion mix, and some eggplant with a little bit of lettuce and cabbage. And then on the side, I got beets, I got quinoa, I got Brussels sprouts, and I got some avocado as well. The Brussels sprouts honestly taste so good. I hate Brussels sprouts, but the way that they make it is like super delicious, and I enjoyed it very much. Next, when I got home, I took a banana, I took some apple, and I made another meal. So the meal pretty much consisted of some tofu. As you guys can see here, I cut up some tofu slices. I had maybe like half a cup of beans, and then in this big pot, I had some broccoli, some red pepper, some green pepper, some mixed kidney beans with some chickpeas and black beans, and I also put some onion in there as well. And then as that was cooking, I cut up an orange so I could eat it while the cooking was happening. Then when the meal was done, to finish it off, I topped it off with a little bit of tahini. I had some left over in the fridge, which I didn't know about, so I kind of wanted to use it. So I topped it off with a little bit of tahini. Then my mom went to the store and she got like this little thing that was like coconut, matcha, maple syrup. I think there's a couple of seeds inside. I'm not too sure about the ingredients. They're actually like right there on the back. But I took that, I took a banana, I took some sunflower butter, and I took some walnuts, and I put it in a bowl, and I kind of made like a little snack for myself. So that's what I ate. And then to finish the day off, I took some oatmeal with some protein powder, some creatine, some maca powder, some cinnamon, mixed beans, and then I also took some of the supplements that one of my sponsors gives me. So if you guys haven't seen them before, they're in the link below. They've been in my past videos. It's called Primal Herb. I put Neuro, Alpha, and ATP Energy, so replenishing my ATP stores. We're causing the cognitive function to work. Also had some Giddy Yo-Yo that I took as well. I took the Spirulina Chlorella one, and then I also had matcha, because I like to end my days with some matcha, so I made a matcha latte. So it was like coconut milk with the supplements and matcha tea. And then that was it. That's pretty much all I had that day. Came up to roughly 3,200, 3,300 calories. Not so hefty, not so much. I think I only had one workout that day, so I was in a deficit of maybe like 200-300 calories. It wasn't that bad. But yeah, so the recipes are just gonna get better from here. We got the avocado pudding that's coming out in a couple of days. We got some chia seed puddings that are coming out in a couple of days. We're gonna make burgers at the end of this week. So Veganuary day, I believe, 18, something like that. We're gonna make burgers that day because I'm gonna have 3 training sessions that day, and I'm kind of down for some burgers. And we got some burritos happening, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy that video. Quick little recipes for you guys to kind of play with it. I'm trying to do as diverse as I can, but trying to make it work within the meal regimen that I'm following for this weight cut that I'm doing. So I'm trying to make it as fun as I can, but sometimes people are busy, people don't have time to cook. So simple, easy, in-out recipes that you can take and you don't have to spend that much time in the kitchen is honestly the way to go, because most of the time we really don't have much time cooking. Unless you got someone cooking for you, then you was lucky. But that's it. I'll see you guys soon. It's your boy, That's It Zach. Punch, headbutt, elbow.